Hey digital makers! We know how stressful it is going back to school, and so for the next month we're going to be doing a theme at Digital Making at Home of looking after yourself. So during Self-Care September, join us at rpf.io/home where you can undertake some of our projects that are designed to help you zen out and have a chill time during the month of September.
You'll be able to code a digital stress ball in Scratch, or try the Grow a Tree project on the project site aimed at helping you zen out and do absolutely nothing but sit as still as you can.
Oh, and we're moving the live stream back a little bit so you can still catch us when school finishes. We'll be streaming now on Wednesdays at 5:30 p.m. instead of 2 o'clock. Don't forget. So I'll catch you later. I'm just going to get a nap and have a massage.